If your Chevy Traverse just clicks and refuses to start, follow this guide to find the culprit in minutes. Statistically, over 70% of no-start issues on the Traverse are caused by simple battery or terminal failures. Let us break down the diagnostic process step by step. Always start by checking your battery voltage, inspecting for terminal corrosion, and ensuring your key fob is sending a signal. If the battery is fine, focus your attention on grounded connections, the starter solenoid, or a simple blown fuse. If you hear a crank but no fire, the issue likely shifts to your fuel pump relay or a faulty crankshaft sensor. Simple electrical cleaning is a great DIY win, but internal starter or computer issues are often better left to the pros. Comparing repair costs shows that most common fixes are affordable, while fuel pump jobs are significantly more expensive. If you are ready to go deeper, use an OBD-I scanner to find hidden codes that point exactly to the failed component. Keep your basic toolkit ready and always wear safety gear whenever you are working around the battery or starter motor. Remember, never force a stubborn starter, as you could cause more expensive damage to the engine flywheel. Follow these steps, stay safe, and you will have your Traverse running again in no time.